Hi, here is how to get your ULesson affiliate. Log into your dashboard, locate your referral here. You can either highlight it and copy it, or you simply click on the copy button here. Thereafter, you can share it with potential customer. You can also easily share the link on social platforms like WhatsApp, like Twitter, Facebook, by clicking on any of these icons, and it will take you directly there. You can also shorten your link using Bitly for better appearance. Simply open a Bitly account like I did, paste your link here, click on create and copy. It is that easy. Happy sharing, happy referring.